Hi guys. Hi guys.
Good morning.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Papa Rambo. Mama Ruby. Miggy. Dia. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. My pet pie. What's your fog today, Mama?
Wow, smile. That's Miggy's cupcake. Banana cupcake. Oh my god, pinaksit na niya. What's it? What's that?
Huh?
Why? Yummy.
DB info is closed. So cancelled. Wait. Ano ba yun? Oh, it's closed. So the trip is cancelled. No one is here. And my family is waiting there.
Hi guys, Miggy. Grabe na hassle namin dito. Naulanan pa kami. Basa ang aming luggage. Matutulog kaming nakaganito yung damit namin. Miggy, no? We're going to sleep with our clothes. Tapos pagising bukas, takbo na lang sa train station. Nasa likod lang nitong hotel yung train station.
Because we're
Funny experience, no? Dito kami sa Hampton by Hilton. Kasi i-refund ito ni Dibe. Miggy, no? Excited pa naman kaming makaaga tomorrow sa Berlin. Sa aming pupuntahan. Do you know where we're going?
a swimming pool hotel.
The biggest indoors water park. The largest water park in the world. In Berlin. Hindi pa niya alam kung o saan. Basta alam niya lang swimming pool.
Breakfast tayo ng madali, mga 20 to 30 minutes. Lapit lang naman.
Just go 4 hours lang ang magiging tulog natin ito. At, wala tayo napindot. Kailangan ng card. O, diba? Mga antok na kami. Matutulog kami nakaganito. Wow. Ang ganda. Sa 4 hours.
Sana ma-reimburse tayo.
Pag hindi tayo ma-reimburse nito. Same na same nga sa Iloilo, no? Yung tinirahan natin, parang ganito yun. Ay, sinikita. Sorry.
Yun lang yung banok ko.
Oo nga, akala ko nga sa AO Hotel tayo. Ayan na yun. Ayan na yung train. No? Sleep na. Tulog na siya. Urakok na. See you tomorrow. Pa-check-in sa hotel na wala sa oras.
The next day.
Good morning! Nakatulog din kami ng 5 hours. Ayan. Ayan yung train station. Oh, tapos here na. We're going. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Well, let's go. Maglumi. Traveling.
That's how you read.
Where's your second tooth? Oh no.
I bet I can make myself teleport to the hotel already. Teleport to the hotel already.
Oh no, where's Miggy, Papa? Bunggol si Papa. Miggy, come back muna
I'm a
here.
ghost.
Oh no.
Biggie, come back to the train.
Oh.
Okay, make it. Oh, can you do the magic trick again where you like a no and then you pull it the small and then it gets longer? Go, do it. I'm just the one taking video. Wow, 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 wow. Guys, now you see it's smooth. And now you see it's...
Heidelberg, es werden alle Anschlusszüge wie geplant erreicht. Heidelberg, dann Gleis 3 bitte.
We're in Heidelberg.
Again. We've been here so many times already.
We're here again in Frankfurt. We're waiting for our next train going to Berlin. There's Papa. Agardo Bisosa. Grabe, punong-puno yan papuntang Basel. Papuntang Switzerland. Laki-laki ng ano. Meron pa dun sa baba. Dun kami galing sa baba eh. Meron pa dun. May baba pa dun. May baba pa yan. Yung ano, meron pa. Itong pinakamalaking ano, Bahnhof at maganda sa Germany so far. Sa tingin mo, mas maganda pa yung Stuttgart pag naayos? Ibang ganda din yon. Ito talaga pinaka malalim, mataas.
You've never been in this place of the station before? Look.
Agardo Bisosa na kami.
Oh, look. Look,
Yeah.
you've never been in this place.
Nasa tuktok kami ng nakataas kami ng kanilang Bahnhof. Daddy said happy birthday.
Thank you, Daddy Ren.
Where are you right now?
We are in Berlin.
Where are you going?
Uh,
You're going to that place.
a swimming pool hotel.
Hindi pa niya alam kung saan. Basta swimming pool. Wow, what happened? Candidate number 2. Tanggal yung ngipin niya.
Hi guys, today we have this Minecraft Caves and Cliff toy. Okay, let's open it up.
Yep.
Okay, now let's flip it. Okay, let's smash this.
What?
Grand Tropical Island. Grand Tropical Islands. Is that what the name of it is?
What do you think?
Yeah, it's definitely the name. Is it? No, just tell me.
I don't know. Surprise.
That's the name of the hill.
Surprise. Next is station Grand Tropical Island. Now waiting for the bus. Look at their bus. Look at their seat. It's so tropical.
It's a bird.
Yeah. Excited. Who's excited? Oh. Gee, Miggy don't know where we're going. Miggy don't have any idea.
I'm peeking.
Not yet. Who's excited? Keep going. We're going on that side. Papa, are you excited? Tingnan mo siya, oh. When I say close your eyes, say close your eyes, ha? Inainda ang pagod, ah. Buti na lang nakanap siya. We're, passing by the forest.
There's a flamingo.
Puliko pala ito. Yay! We're high up here.
Yeah, but I freaking train.
Hey, hey. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. No, when I say open later, you open, but now you close your eyes, okay? Don't peek. I will tell you when to open your eyes, okay? Close your eyes, ha?
Yay.
Yun na siya, oh. Yun na siya. The largest water park, indoor water park in the world. Yun siya, oh. No peeking. Now you can open your eyes. Look at there.
You can just see a giant freaking whatever it is. What is that?
What is that?
Okay, just
What is that large dome?
okay, let's just close my phone.
Okay. Look at that. What's that?
Okay, open. Okay, I'll look inside it.
Do you know what's that?
It's something like a giant arena to me. Okay, it's an indoor water park.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's the largest indoor water park in the world. Don't you know what's inside?
No, I don't know what's inside.
It's like an island inside.
It's like an island.
Yeah. We're here now. We're here. Excited si Miki. Check din muna kami sa reception. Wow! Go, go! Wow! Surprise! Look at that! Surprise! Papa is still checking in. Don't you know? Don't you know? Can you see that, oh? Can you see that picture, oh? There, after all. See that?
Anong spoon na?
Yeah.
This much.
Miggy, look at this. Come here. Look at that. That's how big it is. At the back too. There's more. See? Miggy, that's our house. A small cabin. Yeah. Come na, that's a house. Just wait until we get inside. You have your own bed there. Wow, this is our house. Open with your bracelet.
Put that bracelet there.
Yeah, just scan it. Go. There you go. Welcome to our humble abode. Charis. Wow. This is our house. Wow, there's a living room. Oh, wow. The dining table. Wow, it's good for 6 people. Toilet. Where's the toilet? Oh, there's another room. Wow, this is your room. Which one you like? This one or maybe this one? 2 beds. You have your own bathroom.
Oh, okay. I guess this is my room.
Daddy called the other one.
And this is our room.
It's so dark. Where's the light?
We also have toilet.
Oh,
We have our own.
we have our own too. Wow, and 3 toilet pala eh. And there's the the pool. Wow, buti malapit lang tayo. Oh, look at the kitchen. Oh, there's a ref.
Are we going?
Oh, we can cook here. Ang daming ba? Ang daming cabin, kompleto. Oy, bakit ganyan? Oh, ang daming pants. Isa-isahin natin. Ayan. Kompletos Ricardos. Siyempre, may dala din kami. Oh. And my dishwasher. Wow. Ooh. Oh, may sabon. Oy, buti na lang may sabon. Kalimutan kong dalhin. Magdala. What's this? It's open. See?
You cannot enter the dome there.
Wow. Wow, may pasampayan. May separation na toilet. Ito Wow, look at our house for 3 days and 2 nights. And look at our view. Wow. May tayo sa labas, may lanay. Ayan, may pwede kami mag-grillin. Electric. We'll change clothes and so that Miggy and Papa can swim. Do you like Papa's surprise?
Yeah, but
What will you say to Papa?
thank you. So,
Ay, happy birthday, Miggy. Happy birthday, Miggy. We don't need cellphone na kasi we will go na. This is our home for this week. Yay! Bihis mo na siya. Tara muna natin. Kasi kita tayo sa labas. Yeah. Ang ganda Ganda movie marathon. Is it close? Yan, ang aming likod. Yun ang pool. Oh, may lagay na shoes. You put your shoes here. Come here.
this place looks awesome.
Yan, very good.
This place,
It looks awesome. Do you like it?
yeah,
I like it, no?
this is so comfortable.
Papa's cooking dinner. What's for dinner, Papa? Steak. Ayan. Miggy,
Wait, I can't.
kaabot ka pa kaya ng swimming mo? Madilim na.
Holy moly.
Dito daw si Miggy mag-sleep mamaya. Ayan, tinabi na ang bed. Ayan ang gamit. Ayan. Saka natin maamoy. Ayan, Mama and Papa. Here. Ayan. Ayan. Diba? So nice. I like it, Papa. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Papa. Wait, I have to put
You like it?
Yeah, it looks like something from a
Camping?
from a vacation.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like a hotel.
This is a holiday home.
Yeah, it's a holiday
Oh, it's a
home.
holiday.
But I like it too. Buti na lang may baon kami. May gamit. Ayun, may marites. May kapitbahay kami. Meron din doon sa kabila. Hanggang alauna pa yung pool. Kaya pwede pa kaming maligo mamaya. Oh no. The rain is... Yeah. Heavy rain, Papa. Look. Hindi dyan. Dito, oh.
Swimming now.
Yan. Buti na, apetit. Oh, binuto mo siya, oh.
Put rice and noodles in my plate.
What will you say?
Yes. I'll try it.
Yeah. Miggy. Oh no, can you hear that? Miggy.
Mama, there's so many ants.
Isara mo nang mabuti yung kurtina. Shh, keep quiet. Oh no, that's a lot of ants.
Yes, I can.
Oh, namatay siya.
What?
Namatay siya.
Sa labas lang eh.
Siyempre, Pilipino tayo. Malay mo. Hey. No running ha. Come here. Ay, ito, wait for us. Ito oh, may vending machine siya lang ng ano. Mga pang grill.
Pizza.
Grilling.
Vending machine.
Oh,
Matagal na yan.
mayroon ba talaga yan?
Display lang yun. Lagyan lang nila dyan pa.
Ayan oh, bread. Sausage, mga ketchup. May pizza paper dyan. Wala nang laman. Ubus na. And drinks. Here. Ito may soft drinks, di ba? Namumblema ka walang soft drinks. Kami lang tao sa labas.
No more tao na.
No more tao na. Wala nang tao.
475 lang. Isang soft drinks.
Kami lang pasahero. Walang pasahero. Walang ang pasahero. Tatanggal ng ngipin niya. Uwi na eh. Mag-11. 1 hour na lang din. It's closing time. Sisilip lang. Wow. Look at this. Madali mo lang ilaw. Sa loob kami ng dome.
This is going to the swamp.
Wow! Look at it. Wow, look at this. Totoong parang beach talaga siya, may sand. Tsaka merong ano, ito yung kwarto, hello. Ito yung mga rooms. Madilim nga lang na, walang ilaw. Don't you know that it can fly? Yeah. Tomorrow na natin makikita ang talagang view nito. Ang ganda. Para kang nasa totoong beach. Maano talaga siya, no? Sandy. Showers. Here. Ano? Ay, what is that? Oh, this one is so cool. Wow, look at that. Wow, can you do that?
Like
Tomorrow? Oh my gosh.
imaginary beach.
Yeah. We'll see the beauty of this tomorrow. Madilim. Nasa loob kami ng dome.
Holy
Oh, moly!
no!
What's that? Sayang nga lang, hindi namin naabutan yung river. Oh. Madilim. Sige, tomorrow na lang para makita natin ang view. Oh, medyo look at this, oh. Oh my gosh. Hindi masyado madilim. Wow. Inikot lang namin si Miggy. Buti hindi umiyak kasi atat na siyang mag-swim. Kaso dahil na-cancel ang aming train, may mga nasayang yung isang araw namin. Oh, you can play golf here, nako. Miggy, it's a real golf. Yeah. So tomorrow na lang again. And it's Miggy's birthday in 1 hour. See you tomorrow, guys. Morning, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Miggy. Happy birthday to you. Meow. There's the dome. Good morning. Oh, this is cool, loving. Close your eyes. Open it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Go to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Wait lang. Oh, what happened to the seven? Wow, you just hold it. Yay! It's Sunday. Yesterday, the shops are closed, so Mama and Papa improvise. Hold it. Okay. Open sesame, Papa. Yay.
My present na.
Yeah? Open it.
I'll close it like this first, and when I open it, oh, the bag is literally like 1 euro.
May price pa. Restroom.
No.
Oop. Oop. Slowly lang. It's okay. What is that, babe? Smart.
Treasure X Skull Island. Open it.
Are you happy? Wow.
Plants Skull Island.
Wow. We will just bring this candle later, and then we will buy a cake. They are real cake. There.
Like the best birthday ever.
Really?
Yeah.
Why do you like it?
We're doing the swimming pool.
Yeah, there's a dome.
Axeman and the mammoth are like. Okay, let's. Hi guys, today I have my present from my birthday. Today's my birthday. I'm 7. And now I have my Treasure X Skull Island. Okay, first we have to open this up. I think we should just rip the box open. Okay, we're gonna open it up. First step, reveal that temple. Mama, you have to watch this. Wait, no way! Whoa!
Wow!
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 So cool. To our baby Miggy forever, happy 7th birthday. We love you so much. From Mama and Papa.
Wow! What will you say to Mom and Papa?
Thank you.
I love you. Kiss Papa. Mama too. Blah blah pa.
Okay, guys, let's flip this. Slide. Okay, this slide too. Okay. What's the next step? Okay, I knew it. You have to undo the bridge. Fix the bridge.
Tropical Islands in Berlin.
Guess what?
It's the largest indoor water park in the world.
No.
You enter here.
It's slime. Oh no. I think we should just dump it out.
That's the place. There's another
Oh my
one.
God. I can't see
You
the
can
mama
have
in
a
there, but
balloon inside. There's Amazonian River.
Oh no!
Pero nag-post na siya
no,
umpisa today. Hindi namin
Oh my god! Oh my god!
And
Slime.
the accommodations. This is where we are.
I'm sure.
Wow.
Guys, we have got the guy.
Hold it properly.
Yay! After we do this, it's done. We did it.
Do you like our simple present?
Yeah, it's still cool.
High five. Me is 7 years old na.
Thank you, Mama and Papa. And
Love you.
I love you. And look at this.
Look at her. Nasa forest. Happy birthday. Are you ready, birthday boy? Ang gloomy. Lamig. Si Papa ready si Papa. Mas ready pa si Papa kaysa kay Maggie. Nakatakot. Wait tayo ng bus. Ang tahimik ng bro. Baka walang tao.
You already got there? Okay. We have to go now.
4:45 nag-accept.
You like it? Ito na kami. We will eat breakfast.
Why does my scrambled egg taste like a fresh egg?
It's a fresh egg.
I mean, why does my fresh egg taste like a sunny side up egg? It doesn't taste like a fresh egg.
You want a little bit salt? 5 hours lang ang sleep namin. Kaya sleepy pa
Yes,
siya.
little bit salt.
Okay. I have here. I'll put it.